Think like a genius. How systems thinking can supercharge your learning. Ever feel like learning is just a jumble of disconnected facts? Wish you could see the bigger picture, make smarter connections, and understand concepts faster? Welcome to Systems Thinking, the ultimate way to train your brain to think holistically, solve problems like a pro, and take your learning to the next level. Let's dive in. What is systems thinking, and why you need it? Systems thinking is like seeing the whole chessboard instead of just one piece. It helps you understand how different concepts connect, making learning easier, deeper, and way more fun. Instead of memorizing random facts, you'll start thinking like a strategist, spotting patterns, solving complex problems, and making better decisions. So how can you use systems thinking to learn better and faster? Let's break it down. 1. See the big picture. Stop thinking of subjects as isolated topics. Everything is connected. When learning something new, ask yourself, how does this fit into the bigger system? Example: chemistry isn't just formulas, it's linked to biology, medicine, and even cooking. 2. Turn curiosity into your superpower. Systems thinking thrives on asking why and how instead of just memorizing answers. Explore real-world applications to make learning meaningful and exciting. Example: studying climate change? Look at how economics, science, and politics all play a role. 3. Visualize your learning with mind maps. Ever feel overwhelmed by too much information? Draw it out. Use mind maps, flowcharts, and diagrams to connect ideas and spot patterns. Example: instead of cramming history dates, create a timeline showing how events influenced each other. 4. Learn by doing. Get hands-on. The best way to understand a system is to interact with it. Work on real-world projects, case studies, or simulations to apply what you learn. Example: want to learn coding? Build something small, test it, and tweak it, just like solving a puzzle. 5. Set goals like a systems thinker. Instead of random studying, reverse engineer your learning goals. Ask, where do I want to be? What steps will get me there? Example: if you want to master a new language, think about how listening, speaking, and writing all connect. How to start thinking in systems today? No-brainer. Adapt study techniques to fit your strengths and weaknesses. The more relevant it feels, the easier it is to remember. Every subject is part of a larger system. Explore how they fit together. The bottom line, awesome learner? Learning isn't just about memorizing. It's about understanding, connecting, and thinking bigger. Systems thinking trains your brain to be sharper, faster, and more creative, preparing you to tackle any challenge life throws your way. So why just study when you can master the art of thinking? Who's ready to level up their learning game? Let's go!